Sakit eh. Sakit ng buko. Looks like my WBC. Sabi niya, paano ka nabuhay? Your WBC is zero.
If I do not put out this video, I will just die. The news will be, Doc Willie died one day. He did not tell his followers. He lied to his followers. I owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I owe it. Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. I think I got all this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 vice presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. If you pray for me, I think I will get well. If you keep on bashing me, I think I will die. Hindi nyo naiintindihan gaano ko kayo kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Ano ginawa nyo? Binasyo na ako ng binas. Sumaba sobrang loob ko. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do?